Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about top 7 reasons why it is important to set your financial goals. But before we proceed further, do subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell notification icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Now let's dive into the topic. Have you ever set financial goals for yourself? If not, you might want to start now. Setting financial goals can help you take control of your money and make your dreams a reality. But why is it so important to set financial goals? Here are a few reasons. Reason number 1: financial goals give you direction and purpose. By setting financial goals, you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and how you want to get there. This can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial journey. Reason number 2: financial goals help you make smart financial decisions. When you have specific goals in mind, you can make informed decisions about how to allocate your money and resources. This can help you avoid financial pitfalls and make the most of your money. Reason number 3: financial goals help you plan for the future. Whether you want to save for retirement, buy a house, or go on a dream vacation, setting financial goals can help you plan and prepare for the future. Reason number 4: financial goals can help you manage risks. By setting financial goals, you can identify potential risks and plan for them. This can help you protect yourself and your loved ones from financial setbacks and allow you to achieve your goals despite unexpected events. Reason number 5: financial goals can improve your quality of life. By setting goals around things like paying off debt or saving for emergencies, you can reduce stress and financial uncertainty. This can free up mental and emotional energy to focus on other things and improve your overall quality of life. Reason number 6: financial goals can help you achieve your dreams. Whether you want to start a business, travel the world, or make a major purchase, setting financial goals can help you turn your dreams into a reality. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, that is SMART goals, you can create a roadmap for success. Reason number 7: financial goals can help you build wealth. By setting and working towards long-term financial goals, you can build wealth over time. This can include things like investing in stocks or real estate, saving for retirement, or starting a side hustle to earn extra income. Remember, setting financial goals is just the first step. The key is to create a plan and take action to work towards those goals. This can include things like creating a budget, cutting expenses, increasing your income, or seeking out financial advice. So, if you haven't set any financial goals for yourself yet, now is a perfect time to start. You will be amazed at what you can accomplish when you have a clear plan and focus on your financial future. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on financial intelligence.